Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how to transfer from AscendEX to Coinbase. So if you want to learn how to send crypto from AscendEX to Coinbase, this is the video you're looking for. The first thing you need to do is to go over to the top right and go over to Wallet. Then you need to click on Cash Account. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and on this page you'll see all the tokens you're holding. So now you need to decide which coin you want to transfer. For this example, I'll go with Algorand. Once you have decided which coin you want to transfer, you can go ahead and go over to the Action section on the right, and then you'll need to click on the Withdrawal button. You'll then be sent over to the withdrawal page of AscendEX. And over on this page, the first thing you need to do is to fill in the address you want to withdraw to. To find this address, you need to go over to Coinbase, and then go over to the top right and click on the button saying Send/Receive. By default, Send will be selected, but to withdraw crypto from AscendEX to Coinbase, you need to click on Receive. You'll then need to search for the coin you want to transfer. Always make sure to select the same coin on Coinbase as you have selected on AscendEX, because if you send crypto to the address of another coin, you'll lose all the funds you're transferring. So since I've selected Algo on AscendEX, I'll go over to Coinbase and search for Algorand. Once you have selected the coin you want to transfer, you can go ahead and click on the Copy button. Once you have copied the address, you can go back over to AscendEX and paste the address in. All that's left to do is to fill in the amount of coins you want to transfer. You can fill in the amount manually, or you can click on the All button to transfer all of the available holdings. So once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, the last and final thing you need to do is to click on Confirm. You'll then see this withdrawal or confirmation. Please double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any unnecessary mistakes, and then click on Confirm. You'll then need to go through the security verification process. To receive the codes, you can simply click on the Send Code button. And once you have filled in the verification codes, the last thing you need to do is to click on Verify Now. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.